What's up, everybody? I'm Carl from Technical Goodies, and on this edition, we're going to open up my Altoids tin. That's right. I basically took the standard Altoids tin and made a little tech toolkit for myself to use on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's open her up. Okay, so let's just dive right in. This is a multi-purpose survival pocket tool. It's supposed to be about the size of a credit card, super thin, super small, and it's supposed to have about 43 different tools. Now, I'm not going to name every single one of the tools. I'll actually put up a quick image here and show you everything that's on it. And you can pause if you want to see everything that's built into this small little wallet-sized tool. But I'll go over some of the main things. On the top, you have a handy little ruler. You have a flathead screwdriver as a protractor, a bottle opener. On the bottom corner here, you have a blade and a screwdriver. And on the right over here is something that I actually use all the time. It is a letter opener. You basically just put it into the letter that you're going to open, slide it open. I find this tool pretty useful. It's on top of my case, fits in, doesn't take a lot of room, but it's a super important part of the kit. Next in the kit, we have a standard microfiber cloth. Everyone needs these to clean their smartphone or their glasses, so that's something easy enough to keep in there. And getting down to the heart of the kit. First thing I've got here is this nice little flashlight. One thing I actually do like about this is the small little switch that you see here. All you have to do is push down on the switch, push down on the switch, and it'll stay on instead of having to hold the button the whole time. Fits in the kit quite nicely. Next thing we have is a small adapter that I use every once in a while. It is a USB-C to a USB-A adapter. Very handy. Next thing over here in the corner, small little brush. Can basically use this to brush small little crumbs off of anywhere you need to brush it off of. Always nice and handy to have a small brush to sweep things away. Next is one of the biggest things that I have in this little toolkit, and it's this multi-tool. And the one thing I really like about this multi-tool is that it's easy to open up, pliers that have a self-springing mechanism in it. And I actually really like the shape of this because they give you a little bit of a grip guard right here, so that when you're using this tool in particular, it doesn't hurt your hands when you're using the pliers. But this has the standard array of other tools other than the pliers, the knife, the nail file, Phillips screwdriver, and flathead screwdriver. And on the other side, a saw, another flathead screwdriver, another smaller knife with a poking edge, and everyone's favorite, a bottle opener. The next two items I end up using a lot. They're actually mini screwdrivers. They're supposed to go on your keychain, which if you wanted to, you can toss them on a keychain like that. But it's a standard Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. And the reason I end up using these a lot is because my screwdrivers are always missing. Daniel, I'm looking at you. Clean your desk. Anyway, on the top end, you have different size hex bolts that you can use. Nice and flat on the top here, if you can see that. And on the bottom, like I said, the standard screwdriver, Phillips, and flathead. And anytime I need to be able to unscrew something pretty quickly, these come in super handy. And of course, the last thing that I have in the box is your standard USB drive. And I also can never seem to find these. So if I keep it here in the tin, I always know exactly where it's at. And that's pretty much it. If you've got some things that you'd like me to add, let me know. Any small little tools that would be perfect for a little bit bigger edition, let me know. Or if you'd actually like to see that bigger edition, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would really help me out. And again, Carl from Technical Goodies, out.